How to disable and enable the lock screen to end calls on iPhone. Go to the settings and tap on it. Then scroll down to the accessibility, tap on it. Then scroll down until you get to the touch, tap on it. Once you tap on touch, then scroll down again until you get to prevent lock to end call. So this button, tap on it. If you tap on it like this, you enable it. It means even if you tap on the lock button and your call is ongoing, by accidental or mistakenly, the call will not end. But if you toggle it like this and you turn it off, and by fortune of mistake or you intentionally tap on the, so this will end your call. So this is the simple process, guys, on how to enable and disable end call using the lock screen on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this tip and have not subscribed, please turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when we drop another important update like this.